Sometimes back, the blockchain community worldwide was very happy that ASX in Australia had decided to implement DLT on the blockchain. And with the help of that blockchain, they wanted to enable their chess system. Not only the worldwide community was very happy, they also started projecting it as a poster child for crypto and blockchain. But then it didn't materialize for some time, and even writers claimed few months back that ASX was not going to do that DLT enabled chess on blockchain. Now, what exactly all of this is about? Let me first give you a few of the terminology details as what is ASX, what is DLT, and what is chess. ASX is Australian Security Exchange. It was created by the merger of Australian Stock Exchange and the Sydney Future Exchange in July 2006 and is one of the world's top 10 listed exchanges. Its market capitalization is quite huge and it is among the world's top 10. Okay, so that is what ASX is. Now, DLT stands for Distributed Ledger Technology. DLT is a decentralized database managed by multiple participants across multiple nodes. Blockchain is a type of DLT where transactions are recorded with an immutable cryptographic signature called as hash. Now, chess is clearinghouse electronic sub-register system used by ASX and is main purpose is to manage the settlement of share transactions and to record shareholdings. Okay. Now, few months back, as I mentioned, Australian Security Exchange or ASX was thinking of implementing this DLT technologies in order to implement or upgrade their chess system. Then writers claimed last month that a redesign of the chess replacement would not involve DLT and would instead be based on the conventional technology. But now CIO of ASX, Tim Whitley, has told media that and his investors too that the technology behind the blockchain DLT remained on the table as an option for the chess replacement. And that is why the crypto community here in Australia but worldwide is quite satisfied, but still they're apprehensive whether it is going ahead or not. Now, Um, work on the DLT based chess was started some time ago but then was discontinued at the end of last year owing to significant technology governance and delivery challenges. Now, it seems that ASX have changed their stance again and they say that they remain on track to announce a solution design in the last quarter of this calendar year 2023 and they continue to explore all options for the solution design. And they are trying to focus on four areas when it comes to DLT. First, they are looking at their previous DLT based solution and considering ways they can change the existing solution to resolve the issues that were called out in the external report when they got the audit. They're also checking about if it would be too expensive to implement DLT or not. And they're also looking to upgrade their existing chess system without involving DLT. So, as I would say, it seems that ASX is still in double mind and they are not sure how they are going about. So it will be too early for Australian crypto community to start rejoicing. Thanks for listening.